Giving Claude control over a browser is awesome until it wanders into a live production environment. Let's not do that. Today on JKC Tutorials, we're fixing all of that. We'll replace massive Playwright commands with simple config file, restrict your Claude to not touch your production environment, and also uncover some hidden gems from Playwright MCP. Let's get started. Now when you want to start your Playwright MCP server, you're typing out npx-y Playwright MCP server, followed by browser Chrome, then passing storage states, and on and on. It is slow, prone to spelling errors, and a total pain to maintain. Bottom line, stop doing that. Instead, we use a configuration file. You can create a simple JSON file, let's call it mcp.json, and put all those command line arguments right inside. Now, to spin up your perfectly configured AI testing environment, you just pass one flag, config mcp.json. It is clean, it is trackable in Git, and it makes your daily workflow incredibly fast. Now that our setup is clean, let's talk security. In part 1, we use the allowed origins flag to keep Claude locked inside a staging environment. But what if your testing involves multiple external domains and you just want to explicitly blacklist a few critical ones, like your live payment gateway or a production database? This is where the blocked origin flag comes in, just like I promised in the last video. Just drop this flag into your config file and point it to your production URLs. If the AI ever tries to navigate there, Playwright MCP stops it instantly. It's the ultimate failsafe. So our setup is clean and secure. But did you know Playwright MCP hides some of its best features by default? Normally, Claude is just looking at the page structure. But what happens when a test fails and the UI looks fine, but the console is throwing a massive error? You need the capabilities flag. By adding caps equal to DevTools PDF to our configuration, we unlock superpowers. Now you can literally prompt Claude, check the browser console for errors. The AI will pull the logs straight from DevTools and tell you exactly what broke. Want to show the bug to your engineering team? Tell Claude, save a PDF report of this broken page. It generates a perfect snapshot you can attach right to your Jira ticket. And finally, let's talk about the ultimate testing flex, checking resilience. Any AI can click a login button when the server is working perfectly. But what is the difference when your backend goes down? Does your app show a graceful error, or does it completely crash? Because Playwright MCP taps directly into the browser's network layer, you can tell Claude, mock the login API to return a 500 server error and verify if the front end shows the correct error message. We aren't just automating clicks anymore. We are simulating complex infrastructure failures entirely through natural language. By using config files, setting up blocked origins, and unlocking the DevTools capabilities, your Claude setup is now faster, safer, and more powerful. If this saved you any debugging time, hit the like button, subscribe to JKC Tutorials, and post and comment what do you want me to automate next. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.